Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Dodge Durango in GTA. To begin your build, you'll want to acquire the Bravado Dorado. This SUV is widely considered the closest in-game equivalent to the iconic Dodge Durango. You can easily purchase it from the Southern San Andreas Super Autos website for approximately $1.4 million in-game dollars. This vehicle provides an excellent foundation for your custom creation. Now, let's focus on the front and rear styling to truly capture that Durango feel. For the front, selecting a primary sports bumper will give your Dorado a sleek and aggressive look. Moving to the rear, a reinforced bumper offers a robust and extended appearance, mirroring the real-life SUV. Don't forget to explore hood options. A primary twin inlet hood can add a powerful, sporty aesthetic to your build. Next, we'll refine the side profile and select the perfect wheels. Adding primary sport steps or skirts will give your Dorado a more defined and athletic side appearance. When it comes to wheels, explore the tuner or off-road categories. Options like the Sizioku can provide a fitting stance. For paint, a metallic racing blue or a classic red can really bring out that authentic Durango vibe. Finally, let's boost performance and add those crucial finishing touches. Max out your engine, transmission, and brake upgrades for superior handling and speed. For the rear, an aero spoiler can provide a subtle yet sporty accent, enhancing its aggressive stance. Complete your custom Durango with light window tints and a fitting livery to truly make it your own unique creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.